Sony's all-new HT-S2000 soundbar is here. What's going on, everyone? I'm François from Sony, and let me tell you, I'm really liking this new soundbar for a lot of reasons. First, Sony recognizes that not everyone has the space for a large soundbar like the HT-A7000, or maybe this is your first soundbar and you're not ready for that kind of commitment. But that doesn't mean you don't want great sound. This is what the S2000 was built for. It's perfect for the person who wants to step up from just using TV sound or someone who wants a more cinematic experience without all the clutter. This was just going to be an overview video, but I'm so excited to show off our brand new packaging, so I've included it. Right off the bat, I notice, as with many of our new products, the S2000's box is made with fewer plastics. Up to 95% of the packaging is made from recycled paper or paper-based materials to limit the use of plastic. This is all part of Sony's Road to Zero initiative, something I am personally proud of. Here's something you do not want to skip. There's a QR code included that allows you to download the all-new Sony Home Entertainment Connect app. This app will walk you through the setup process and allow you to control the bar right from your phone or tablet. If you've purchased a Sony wireless sub or rears, you can use the app to pair them to the bar as well. The app even has a remote so you can change the sound settings and learn about the bar's features all in one place. Now, I like that. This bar is a 3.1 channel system featuring X-Balance speaker units. The 3.1 includes the center channel speaker for clear dialogue for your favorite shows and movies. There's also a built-in dual sub. With help from our vertical surround engine and S-Force Pro front surround, you will get the most out of Dolby Atmos and DTS:X content. Plus, there's an up mixer which can take 2-channel audio and turn it into 3D audio, all which will give you a realistic multi-dimensional audio experience just from the bar itself. With that in mind, Sony offers you some great options. You can add the SA-SW3 wireless rear speakers, or you can choose from the SA-SW3 or SW5 wireless subwoofer. Last but not least, I wanted to mention another convenient feature. This bar is compatible with Sony BRAVIA XR TVs quick setting menu. This allows you to adjust the bar and components with the TV remote, and you don't even have to stop what you're watching. Again, this is an added benefit if you have a Sony BRAVIA XR TV, but this bar works with practically any TV that has ARC, eARC, or optical port. Using HDMI means your TV remote will control the volume of the bar and turn the bar on and off with the TV. You also get things like Bluetooth support and USB audio playback. If you're looking for a great addition to your home theater space without taking up the entire mantle or TV stand, the HT-S2000 from Sony should be at the top of your list. Thanks everyone for sticking with me for the HT-S2000 overview. Should you have any additional questions or would like to speak with a Sony expert like myself, make sure you check out the link in the description down below. All right, well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. As always, my name's François, and I'll see you in the next video.